2012 Toyota Tundra 4WD truck. With less than 52,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. You'll look forward to your commute every day with features such as multi-zone air conditioning, 4-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, pass-through rear seat, brake assist, power outlet, keyless entry, auxiliary input, stability control, passenger side airbag sensor, limited slip differential, adjustable steering wheel, daytime running lights, traction control, cruise control, power side view mirrors, variable speed intermittent wipers, air conditioning, ABS, power locks. With an affordable price, why wait any longer?